Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are fine and doing good. In this video, I will tell you about the same problem in your device VIVO X Note or X Fold. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the SIM, like your SIM is not working or the contacts are not showing, or you are having any other problem related to the SIM card, you can solve it by the method as I will tell you in this video. Before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the same problem in your device.